Hi, I'm Aaron with simpletix.com. This right here is the latest version of the Square Stand, Square Stand version 2. It's got some big improvements compared to the prior version. The old version had a mag stripe reader up front. Well, this version has a chip reader and a contactless card reader or Apple Wallet support up here. Let me show you how it works. So basically, the chip reader accepts the chips just like this, and the contactless card, as well as Apple Pay, Google Pay reader, just accepts contactless payments like that. But let me give an example of how to do all three checkouts. So I'll buy tickets right now for a test event. And we'll use the simple chip reader for the first demo here. I'll click buy now. And I'll insert the chip right here. And now the order is complete. Now let me show you an order using Apple Pay. So by default, when you check out, credit card, debit card is pre-selected, but if you want to use Square gift cards or cash or comps or different options, you can click here to change it. But we'll leave it with that, credit card, debit card for now. I'll click buy now. And I'm going to use Apple Pay, so do it just like that. Now, normally you'd want to turn this over to your customer so they can do that and turn it back as soon as you hear that noise, but it's complete. And I can do one more order where I use the contactless credit card. And as you can see, you can also use contactless credit cards. Now, we recommend always using the chip insert, even if it's a contactless credit card, just inserting it in here. Reason being, the first name and last name don't come through when it's a contactless credit card. It's not an issue with Square or simpletix, it's an issue with the banks that actually just don't provide it. So again, for contactless credit cards, we recommend not doing the tap and go, instead inserting it in, because that way you'll get the first name and last name of the buyer right off the credit card. So if you don't do that, it's going to say Visa card holder, for example, because the banks don't provide the first name and last name for the contactless credit cards. You can also use the Square Stand with different printers. Here's the Star McPrint 3 printer. This is an example of how the e-tickets look. It's got the order information and the QR code right there to scan. Just make sure you get Bluetooth printers. You don't want to get USB ones, or definitely not Ethernet ones, but you want to get the Bluetooth version for two reasons. There's no cable in the middle of your table. It's completely wireless, which works really well. And also the Square Hub isn't compatible with a lot of printers, unfortunately. So just to avoid any kind of compatibility issues, getting a Bluetooth printer is your best bet, because A, no cables, B, no cables, really. It's just a win-win when you have Bluetooth printers. We recommend the Star McPrint 3 printer. So thanks for watching this video today about the Square Stand version 2. Bye now.